Hello friends, we're learning how the things will float and sink. Let us see this thing will float or sink. Let us guess what this thing will float or sink. The ball is floating. Let us see this ring will float or sink. The ring is also floating. Let us see this car will float or sink. The car is sinking. Let us see this teddy will float or sink. The teddy is floating. Let us see this kitty kitchen will float or sink. The kitchen is sinking. Let us see this will float or sink. It is floating. Let us see this will sink or float. Actually, the car is slowly sinking. Let us see this phone will sink or float. The phone is sinking. Thank you.